Hello, welcome to a Gunman Drift devlog. Today we have very exciting, very important news. So first of all, I'd like to announce that Gunman Drift is coming to Steam, and there is a trailer going live tonight in about 9 hours at 8 p.m. So hopefully I'll see some of you there. I'm very excited, and let's get on with the devlog. So I'll just talk about some of the updates I made. So first of all, just focus on this one on the right. So I added a little logo. We'll look at the multiplayer test later. So first of all, I've got this HP now for the car. There's shake, and there's turrets. So the turrets shoot you and they do damage to you. The screen shakes when you shoot and when you die. So nothing really happens when you die. You just kind of respawn. But if you look at the top right, is your lap time. And, you know, if you keep dying, your lap time's going to be pretty bad. But yeah, that's it. There's nothing else really that exciting that I added in terms of the single player mode. But I have been working on the multiplayer mode. So, if I run both of these versions of the game, so yeah, I'm using this thing called Parallel Sync. Someone recommended to me. It is very good. It saves me a lot of time and it allows me to test the multiplayer features very easily. So yeah, it's just the screen on the right, just running as if it's another computer on the left. So if we click multiplayer test on both of these, we're taken to this screen and we can type in our username and we type in our name here. So then we get to choose if we want to be a host or we want to join a server. So on the right, we're going to host and we're given a room code here. So if we type that in and press join, we join the server. Okay, that's not meant to happen. Usually they're just next to each other, but yeah, I definitely need to fix that. But if I press space, you see here, press space to start the race. So everyone's joined now. I'm going to press space, and the positions update. So it says, you know, I'm first here. If I stop and then try overtake on here, I'll become first on that screen and second on that screen. So I'm just going to show you what happens when you finish the race. So you see this says 1 out of 3 for the laps. So let's just fast forward this guy. Give him a few laps. Lap 2. Lap 3. And lap 4. Well, let's just pretend like we're finishing the actual lap. There you go. Arna's finishing third. So, you know, that's the username I set here. And if this person finishes, it'll say Arna's left finished second. Another thing I want to show you is, as the client, if I leave, this game doesn't break. This game doesn't break. And I can rejoin, so you see how the code is still up there. So if anyone wants to join late, they can. You know, join in on the fun. So, you know, click join server, press space on here, and, you know, they're second again. So if we just, you know, fast forward this guy, pretend like he's going really fast. And now he's about to finish the race. It will still say that Nothing happened. Okay. That's something to investigate. But it should have said that he finished in second. I wonder why that's the case. Either way, it's a lot better than it was a couple of days ago. Also, the game doesn't break if the host leaves. It just turns off and you're back here, and you can host your own server. No problem. So yeah, the multiplayer feature is clearly in test mode right now. So you saw the bug there. That was unintentional. Let's open some crates. 9% chance for that one. That's a pretty lucky crate. So I've got other exciting news. Believe it or not, we have. Which one? So we have Gunman Drift on Android. Isn't that crazy? I didn't think it'd be as easy as it was. There's going to be some roadblocks, but it will work. There's already an iteration which completely worked. And also, there's going to be a VR mode as well. So if you have a Meta Quest 2 specifically, that will definitely work. You'll be able to connect and play multiplayer on the PC, on the tablet, on the VR headset. You could have 3 friends, one on PC, one on your tablet, and you can all play and open in crates. So yeah, the multiplayer feature is very exciting. So excited to bring it out officially. So currently it has no effect on your experience or any of your levels in game. So again, that's something I need to synchronize. It's going to be quite tough to do that. It's already been quite tough to actually make it so you can drive together and make sure that there's no bugs, no glitches. But progress is being made. So yeah, that's all I've got. So to finish off, don't forget about the video trailer coming out tonight. And if you don't have Steam, you don't have an account, or you're just not a gamer or anything, that's fine. It doesn't matter, because just by clicking on the link, it's going to be down here where it says wishlist. Just by clicking that link, just by opening the Steam page and looking at it, you can scroll through the pictures. Just by doing that, you help a lot. The algorithm, you always hear algorithm this, algorithm that, but it does help. If you like the video and just tune in, it helps so much. I can't believe 7 people have liked this. I don't know. I can't believe it. I'm happy that anyone at all is interested. And shout out to all the recent subscribers. Greatly appreciated. I'm happy with those results. I'm happy with where Gunman Drift is. And I'm excited about the Steam release. So the actual game won't come out until the 25th of April. But that's only in about 2 weeks. So after the 25th of April, you'll be able to buy Gunman Drift on Steam, be able to play it. Again, it's early access, so the game's not actually finished, but it's playable, it's enjoyable, and by owning a copy now, you'll keep the game forever. And as updates come out, you get to experience them, and multiplayer will be there when I launch, so you'll be able to play with your friends straight away. And I think that's really important when talking about gaming. Not a lot of people want to do it alone, but a lot of multiplayer games don't have a single player mode. So I think at the same time, this is very good. But yeah, that's it. That's all from me. Very excited, very happy, and I hope at least someone watching this is also excited. Thank you for watching.